Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalampong Yelekai 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship kala Sdang ha kakhatratrik uyayong ha kanongba ha kabalawan yashim benta da kumba South Pa San Phongut kinong Yelekai bakinsai keleng kijela jongkari India kuntop yakhat saungut napo kijela yakani kalampong lawan play da ulampang gayeng dor bar thau an kijela uba met ba lingdo haringkat kejingya dan lang menteri katnat Yelekai uba bante dor lingdo batkiwei Hashwawan play kani kalampong lapan long ka jing Sngap jar ka bashi minit ban penpau ka jing sngolam halor ka jing klat no uwei na kirang Yelekai na Tamil Nadu udina dayalan Shwa ubalangat ha ka jing jaya takho kali ha ka jan miet jong ka khat nyo tarik ha Shang Bangla Ribhoi district ya kani kalampong en penkot ha ka arpusan tarik mentau bana yayong
the government of Meghalaya, which all we know that yesterday one of our player he passed away on the tragic incident in Ribhoi district. So I would like to read out this condolence message. With profound grief and sorrow, I deeply mourn the sad and sudden demise of late Dina Dayalan Biswa of Tamil Nadu, who met with a tragic road accident at Shang Bangla in Ribhoi district on Sunday, the 17th April 2022 at around 1:30 on his way to Shillong to participate in the 83rd Senior National and Interstate Championship scheduled to be held at Sai Campus Nehu, Shillong, Meghalaya from 18th to 25th April 2022. At such a young age, he was a promising Indian table tennis player, and his passing away is not only a loss to his parents, family members, relatives, and friends, but also a great loss for the sporting fraternity in our country. His contribution to table tennis would always be remembered and cherished. In this moment of grief, I, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, with heavy heart, convey our sincere and heartfelt condolence to the parents and all the family members of the departed soul. I pray that the Almighty grant strength and solace at this moment of grief to bear this irreparable loss. May the departed soul rest in eternal peace.